Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I make Lukas' favorite meal. This video actually is a request from a friend of mine. She asked me to make a video of me making Lukas' favorite meal. It's actually a very basic baby food. It's made from potato, spinach and egg, but Lukas, he loves it so much. So yeah, I hope this video can be very helpful for other moms. These are all ingredients I need to make my baby's favorite meal. This is spinach, some potatoes and 1 egg. So from these ingredients, I am planning to make 4 meals. I am going to give the first 2 meals within a week and then another 2 meals next week. The reason behind it, because my baby, he's still under 12 months, so he is allowed to eat half of the egg in 1 week. So that's why with 1 egg, I have to make 4 meals straight away. And I'm not going to use all the spinach, obviously, but I am going to tell you how much spinach you need to make 4 meals. This is my favorite spinach. I bought it from Lidl. I like it because of the taste and also because it's washed. So I really do not need to roast it anymore. I can just use it straight away. And I'm going to use all of this. These are 5 potatoes. Normally I use 4 potatoes to make 4 meals, but because I couldn't find a medium-sized potato today, so I bought 5 instead of 4 because it's quite small, really. I just want to make sure that my baby receives enough carbohydrate and then egg. So yeah, let's start to make it. So these are all the potatoes. They are sliced into pieces as you see, and they're washed so they are clean. And I am going to steam them together with the spinach. But before that, I need to boil the egg first. So I'm going to boil this egg, and yeah, I'm going to show you how I do that. One thing that I want to let you know, if you're thinking of using egg as one of the ingredients to make baby food, it's important for you to really cook the egg. You can just cook it, like scramble it, but it has to be really cooked, or boil it like the way I cook it this time. But it has to be like really hard boiled egg. It's because when the egg is cooked, it has the lowest risk of carrying salmonella. So salmonella, it's a kind of bacteria that can cause your baby get food poisoning. Before I boil the egg, I am going to put the kettle on with some water in it. I always prefer to boil the egg using cooked water. I don't know why, there is no special reason. It's just I'm just used to it. And then I am going to boil the egg here. I'm using a boiling pan. This is actually too big to boil just 1 egg, but this is the smallest boiling pan I have, so I really don't have a choice. As you see, now the water is cooked, so I am going to move the water. I am going to move it into the boiling pan. Yeah, and put it back on again. The egg is boiling, so then now I am going to prepare the steamer. As you heard, now it's cooked. I am going to turn it off. The egg is pretty much cooked. We will see later. I am going to open it and show it to you. So this is the spinach. I am using 80 grams of spinach, so it's like 20 grams of spinach per meal. And I am going to steam it a little bit later. I am going to steam the potatoes first, because if I steam it together with the potatoes at the same time, it will be like overcooked. So the potatoes, they are all here in the steamer. I've been using this steamer for this last couple of months. It's from Brown. It's really good. It's BPA free as well. And yeah, actually, if you watch my channel regularly, you will know that I have made a video. It's a video of 3 tools you need to make a baby food. And I did mention about this product in that video, so go watch it. I will give you the link on the description below. So now is 10 minutes. I'm going to move the spinach into the steamer. It looks a lot of spinach, but actually after it's cooked, it's really not much at all. So yeah. So now I am going to cook them together. I need to close it first. And then now I am going to set the timer to 15 minutes. So I have to wait another 15 minutes and they are pretty much cooked and then ready to be blended. So they are cooked and I am going to move them into a container. I am using like a plastic container like this. So this is the egg. I've sliced it into 2 pieces, and as you see, it's really like a hard-boiled eggs. It's cooked, so that's good. And I'm going soon to blend it together with the potatoes and spinach. So this is how it looks like before it's blended. How I do it is that first I do like half potatoes and then the spinach and then the half of the egg, and then again repeat until all of it in the container. And then now I am going to blend them. So I am going to use a hand blender from Molinex. After I blend them, I move them into baby food storage cups. But I actually use these cups. They are actually breast milk storage cups, and I've been using them to store the baby foods as well, and they work very good. I've been using these Philips breast milk storage cups. I have mentioned them as well in my video, one of my video. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up, and yeah, if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. And I see you again in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Kiss bye. Kiss bye. Kiss bye.